2 mil just to do personal color. Fine, let's try it. What's up, everybody? We're here today at K-BEAUTY EXPO, Vietnam 2024. This expo has over 150 companies showcasing skin products, cosmetics, hair cares, anything related to the beauty industry. Let's see, last year they had over 10,000 people visiting this expo. Come with me, just check it out. Do you use it?
Me?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Personally, I use it, but...
So I can look young like you?
Right. Actually, I'm the 40 years old now, so...
What? Wow.
Yeah,
okay.
I am.
Wow. Let's try this. Can I try this?
Sure, yeah. You can try this one.
So can I go over there and try it?
Yeah, try that. Go.
I can't believe you said that. Every 5 minutes. So why does it shut off every 5 minutes? So you only meant to do 5 minutes, Amy?
5 minutes to 5 minutes, 5 minutes,
Yeah.
and then I don't know. It's healthy. So you're gonna ask God. Actually, we ask you to use it for 5 minutes for each time, for two times a day. So I think that's a more effective and functional. That's why I asked them to use it for 5 minutes.
My name is Alex. I'm from South Korea. I'm basically a Pyongyang pretty biotech. So this is we are just launching this year April. So we are brand new in this market. So basically on the science, and then we just put that in the dermatology all together. So we bring the cosmetic device in our ampoule in here. So what's our major principle is it's a plasma. As you can see, the plasma bowl in here. Yeah, so the plasma's main function is sterilization. So this is good for the kill the bacteria and the germs. So if you can apply on the cosmetic device, beauty device, then it can affecting to cure the skin troubles and acne also at the same time. And then the second major function of the plasma is the delivery, and also can be activating the collagens on your skin. So it can penetrate underneath of the dermis layers, 3.4 millimeters. So while it penetrates on your skin, it can activate the collagens. So it can helping your firmness of your skin, and at the same time, it can eventually affecting to reducing the wrinkles.
I would really like the design. Did you patent this design?
Yes, we also have a patent for the design, and also at the same time, this is our actual technologies. So this is the ozone filters. Our patented ozone filter systems. We get rid of the ozone from the home beauty plasma device.
Yeah.
That's the
Can you see this fixed straight away, or do you have to do it 3-4 times?
Oh yeah, so based on our clinical data, so we already been tested, certified by a government in Korea, and then followed by the data. So we recommend to using at least 2 times in a day. So morning and night time, that's the more easier to use here daily.
And
So,
the cartridge in there, how many times can you use it before you need to replace it?
oh, the ozone filter, yes. As the lifespan is 30 hours.
So,
Yeah.
you can use it a lot.
Yeah, 10 minutes a day, which means like approximately it's 6 months. Yeah, that's our recommendation to use.
One side feels tighter, like it feels like it doesn't. This side is like feels tighter and lifted. Like
Just right away.
you can tell, like here you can see here, and here is like push a bit. Brush. So we have Liz here. Liz, can you tell me a bit more about the brand itself? When you started?
Actually, our brand is a biotechnology company.
Yeah.
So we did our cures test trial for patients. So we found our main ingredient was very good for skin also. So that's why we started to our cosmetic business.
So what year did you start? What year?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Our brand started from more than 10 years, but we focused on cosmetic since 2018.
Okay. What makes you different than any other brands and any other products out there?
As you can see, our product has more than 90% of biogenic essence. So we didn't add any artificial ingredients. That's why it's different from other cosmetics, and this so its smell and color is unique also.
So that's the reason why I wanted to come talk to you, because when I was looking at the ingredients, you only have like 5 ingredients.
Yeah.
Yeah, only 5 ingredients, which is really, really important because a lot of people's skin gets irritated, especially with artificial chemicals involved. You just don't know who works well. What made you only pick 5 ingredients?
Main ingredient is claps. Claps more than actually is 92.8% of this product, and the others just helps to make it cosmetic. So it also is not harmful and it's not chemical. So it's totally different.
So who's your target audience?
Actually, this product is for more than 30 older people.
So that's me.
But also young people, young generation also want to make better their sustain their skin condition. That's why they are looking for some different cosmetics.
Okay. So what was your purpose being here today at K-BEAUTY EXPO?
Until now, we just focus on domestic market.
Yep.
We already sold this product more than 3 million bottles in Korea, but we think that this is the moment that we can expand our business further.
Yeah.
So that's why we are here, and we'd like to find good partner to work with.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Thank you for your time. My favorite color is red. But my color to make me brighter is white. Whatever bright color, your face is white. Pink? How can you tell? Red, green, red, pink. This? I mean, there's others different color. So we're wrapping up at K-BEAUTY EXPO 2024 in Vietnam. I had so much fun. There's so much products out there that we looked at. There were so many people that we talked to, but we couldn't show you all. I think next year there's going to be more and more companies that's coming towards Vietnam that's showcasing a lot of beauty products. I think if there is an expo, I would recommend you guys to come. But overall, hope you enjoy the videos, like and subscribe.